You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is n equals 5/2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 35/2 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the n. Divide both sides by -7. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is n equals 5/2.